We recently published a video of 7 penny stocks with huge upside potential, according to analysts. In this video, we will look at where Kulr, BigBear.ai Adicet Bio Incorporated, and 2 more stand against other penny stocks with the biggest upside potential. The broader market outlook remains cautious. With Federal Reserve rate cut expectations adding a potential stabilizing force, investors remain watchful for opportunity despite occasional rebounds driven by factors like rising socio-economic and political issues and a weaker U.S. dollar. Given this backdrop, investors should seek undervalued stocks that can capitalize on volatility while limiting downside risk. Stocks trading under $5, known as penny stocks, often present such opportunities, though they also come with heightened risk and fluctuating prices. They are known for their often eye-popping low valuations, which reflect challenges like thin balance sheets, unproven business models, and competition from larger rivals. At the end of December 2024, Fundstrat's Tom Lee told CNBC that with the Fed cutting rates and a pro-business administration taking over, companies would likely see 2025 as a prime time for expansion, including mergers and acquisitions. He believes this will create a strong market for small and mid-cap stocks, with financials, cyclicals, and industrials benefiting the most. Lee also pointed out that Trump's tariff policies and potential labor market disruptions from mass deportations could impact the stock market. Another risk is if the Fed focuses too much on inflation and weakens the labor market. To mitigate this, we have found penny stocks with big catalysts, strong growth potential, and entry points amid uncertainty. To see what retail investors are buzzing about, we also looked through Reddit discussions. Then, we checked Wall Street analysts' average upside predictions for these stocks. We have also included the number of hedge funds holding each stock as of Q4 2024. The list below isn't ranked in a particular order or based on upside potential. If you are fine with going further, please like this video, share, and subscribe for more stock investment opportunities. This will help our channel get more visibility. Thank you. The first pick on the list is Kulr Technology Group, a penny stock with explosive potential in the EV and energy storage revolution. When it comes to investing in the future, few industries hold as much promise as renewable energy and electric vehicles (EVs). At the intersection of these two transformative sectors lies Kulr Technology Group, ticker KULR, a cutting-edge company revolutionizing thermal management and energy storage solutions. With its innovative technologies, strategic partnerships, and exposure to high-growth markets, KULR is positioning itself as a key player in the global shift towards sustainability and electrification. Here's why this small-cap stock deserves your attention and potentially a spot in your portfolio. KULR specializes in developing advanced thermal management technologies that enhance the safety, efficiency, and longevity of energy storage systems. One of Kulr's standout products is the KULR Tech Safe Case, a game-changing solution for safely transporting and storing lithium-ion batteries. This innovation addresses a critical need in industries heavily reliant on these power sources, further solidifying Kulr's role as a problem solver in high-growth markets. KULR has secured partnerships with industry giants like NASA, Lockheed Martin, and Leidos, showcasing the credibility and applicability of its technology in high-stakes environments. These collaborations not only validate Kulr's innovations, but also open doors to lucrative contracts in aerospace and defense. Additionally, the company is working with leading EV manufacturers and battery producers, positioning itself as a key supplier in the EV supply chain. With NASA and private space companies like SpaceX expanding their missions, Kulr's lightweight thermal solutions are well-positioned to capture a share of this high-growth market. The aerospace sector's demand for reliable, efficient thermal management systems presents a significant opportunity for KULR. The global push for renewable energy will drive demand for efficient and safe energy storage systems. Kulr's solutions are tailor-made for this market, creating a massive opportunity for the company to scale its operations. KULR has the potential to expand its footprint into international markets, particularly in Europe and Asia, where EV adoption and renewable energy initiatives are thriving. This global reach could further amplify its growth prospects. KULR Technology Group is more than just a penny stock. It's a forward-thinking company at the forefront of 2 of the most transformative industries of the 21st century. While it carries the inherent risks of a small-cap growth stock, its potential rewards are equally compelling. For investors with a long-term horizon and a tolerance for risk, KULR represents a unique opportunity to invest in the future of energy and transportation. Keep an eye on this one. It could be a game changer. Before moving on to the next stock on the list, What are your thoughts on this penny stock? Boston-based Adicet Bio Incorporated, ticker ACET, develops allogeneic gamma delta T cell therapies for cancer and autoimmune diseases. Its lead candidate, ADI-001, is in a phase 1 trial for B-cell non-Hodgkin's lymphoma and autoimmune conditions, while ADI-270 targets renal cell carcinoma and other CD70+ tumors. Wall Street analysts are bullish on ACET, making it one of the penny stocks with the biggest upside. On February 27th, Adicet Bio Incorporated announced that the FDA granted fast-track designation to ADI-001 for systemic sclerosis, SSC, expediting its development. ADI-001, a CAR-T cell therapy targeting CD20, is also approved for lupus nephritis, LN, and systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE. The company is advancing its treatment across 6 autoimmune diseases, with LN trials underway and enrollment for SLE, SSC, myositis, and stiff person syndrome starting in Q2 2025. In Q4 2024, Adicet Bio Incorporated R&D expenses came in at $23.3 million, compared to $24.8 million in Q3 2024, mainly due to lower manufacturing costs. Meanwhile, G&A expenses increased to $7.5 million from $6.8 million because of higher professional fees. The company reported a net loss of $28.7 million for the fourth quarter, slightly better than the $29.5 million loss in the same quarter last year, including non-cash stock-based compensation. As of December 31, 2024, cash and short-term investments rose to $176.3 million from $159.7 million, and the company expects to sustain operations through late 2026. Overall, ACET ranks second on our list of penny stocks with huge upside potential. While we acknowledge ACET's potential to grow, our conviction lies in the belief that certain AI stocks hold greater promise for delivering higher returns and doing so within a shorter time frame. If you're looking for an AI stock that is more promising than ACET, but that trades at less than 5 times its earnings, check out the next penny stock. BigBear.ai Holdings Incorporated, ticker BBAI. They engages in data-driven decision dominance and advanced analytics that provide its customers with a competitive advantage in a world driven by data that is growing in terms of volume, variety, and velocity. The firm operationalizes artificial intelligence and machine learning at scale through its end-to-end data analytics platform. It deploys its observe, orient, and dominate products to customers throughout the defense, intelligence, and commercial markets. BigBear.ai's proprietary platforms, such as Prognosis and Observe.ai, leverage machine learning and predictive analytics to deliver real-time actionable insights. BigBear.ai's focus on high-growth verticals like defense, supply chain, and cybersecurity positions it to capture a significant share of this market. Its AI and machine learning platforms are highly differentiated, offering advanced capabilities like predictive analytics, natural language processing, and computer vision. The company is transitioning from R&D to commercialization, with revenue expected to grow significantly as its solutions are adopted across multiple industries. However, BigBear.ai Holdings has experienced a significant decline in its stock price, dropping by 14.9% over the past week. This downturn is largely attributed to the company's recent announcement of a delay in filing its annual report. The delay stems from the need to reevaluate the accounting treatment of its convertible notes, specifically the embedded conversion option in the 2026 notes, in collaboration with its independent auditors. Despite this setback, BigBear.ai remains optimistic about reporting increased revenues and gross margins for 2024, although it anticipates a significant increase in loss before income taxes compared to the previous year. In addition to the delayed filing, the market sentiment around BigBear.ai Holdings has been cautious. Analysts have expressed concerns over the company's weak outlook, advising investors to tread carefully. The technical sentiment consensus rating for the stock is currently a sell, reflecting the market's apprehension. Despite these challenges, BigBear.ai has secured a 3.5-year, $13.2 million contract with the U.S. Department of Defense, which could provide some positive momentum for the company moving forward. The combination of financial uncertainties and strategic wins paints a complex picture for BigBear.ai Holdings. While the delay in filing the annual report has raised red flags among investors, the company's efforts to secure significant contracts demonstrate its potential for future growth. Note that this stock still holds some risks, including the fact that the AI and analytics space is highly competitive, with larger players like Palantir and C3.ai operating in the market. If the company can execute its growth strategy and capitalize on the AI and defense trends, we could see potential growth in 2025. Moving to the fourth penny stock pick to buy now, Applied Digital Corporation, ticker APLD. Applied Digital Corporation is a technology company which engages in the provision of development and operation of data centers which provide computing power. It operates through the following segments: cloud services business, HPC hosting business, and data center hosting business. The company was founded by Wesley Carl Cummins and Jason Zhang in May 2001 and is headquartered in Dallas, Texas. The stock is up significantly so far in 2025 as it entered into a $5 billion perpetual preferred equity financing facility with Macquarie Asset Management for HPC business. It got an initial investment of up to $900 million for the Ellendale HPC campus development. In Q2 FY 2025, revenue grew 51% year over year to $63.9 million, and the company reported a better-than-expected adjusted net loss of 6 cents per share versus an expected 14 cents loss. Adjusted EBITDA increased 93% to $21.4 million. It also surged after NVIDIA's SEC filing revealed continued ownership of 7.7 million APLD shares. This is particularly significant as NVIDIA sold out of other AI-related holdings like SoundHound AI and Serve Robotics. Overall, APLD appears on our list of penny stocks that are skyrocketing so far in 2025. While we acknowledge the potential of APLD as an investment, our conviction lies in the belief that some AI stocks hold greater promise for delivering higher returns and doing so within a shorter time frame. Amprius Technologies Incorporated, ticker AMPX. Amprius Technologies Incorporated develops, manufactures, and markets lithium-ion batteries for mobility applications. The company offers silicon nanowire anode batteries under the C-Core and C-Max platforms. Its batteries are primarily used for existing and emerging aviation applications, including unmanned aerial systems, such as drones and high-altitude pseudo-satellites. To serve customer demand, Amprius entered into several agreements to secure over 1.8 GWh of contract manufacturing capacity available today. This technology stock is one to look at. If you stayed with me this far, you're clearly serious about your investment future and find these 5 penny stocks. Please subscribe to the channel to keep you updated on the latest shifts and insights. See you in the next video.